Howdy everyone, it is Tuesday morning and that half marathon that I mentioned in my last video is on Sunday morning, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to do it. I haven't registered yet, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. But anyways, the goal is to break 71 minutes, which is 5:25 pace. It's supposed to be a pretty breezy Sunday morning, pretty breezy this morning as well. So if I end up not breaking 71 minutes, I'm going to be pissed, because the whole intent of doing that, the only thing I want to do is get under 71 minutes to which is the qualifying standard, or whatever, the standard for the athlete development program at the Houston Half Marathon, just to get in for free and get a good spot in the corral right behind the elites or whatever. So the workout today is just a little light threshold tune-up workout. Some people say it's too much, but I don't really care. It's just 4 times 2K with 130 rest. Gonna shoot for 81 or 82 seconds per 400 meters, which will put me maybe 6:45 to 6:50 for 2K. Shouldn't be too bad. Last time before Houston, when I did run a really good half marathon, my last workout this far out was 6 times a mile with 1:15 rest, I think. So I don't know, it's not a big deal. I'm not overthinking it. I'm not trying to work too hard today. Just feel out what my half marathon goal pace is, and that'll be it. So let's hit the workout. And that's a wrap for the workout. It was pretty tough to get into a rhythm because of the wind, but it was all right. Went out a little too slow the first rep, and then after that I was going out too fast for the first lap of every rep, so I kind of had to hold myself back, but it was a good effort. And now I'm just gonna be chilling until Sunday. Might be doing some light 200 reps around 5K to 10K pace on Thursday, just to get the stimulus of a little bit faster than race pace, half marathon race pace. But that's it. I also want to say thanks to everyone who reached out on the last video and offered to help pay for the entry fee for the half marathon. But I really appreciate that. But I'm not broke. I'm not super broke or anything. I'm very cheap. I'm very good at saving money. So I have plenty of money to pay for the entry fee. It's just, I just think the cost of road race is ridiculous for what you get in return. So gonna have to bite the bullet and pay for it anyway. So anyways, that'll probably be the last video before the half marathon. So hopefully I'll have a video for you about the half marathon. So I'll catch you in the next one.